Hello, welcome back to the channel. Unless you're new, then welcome. And today I'm gonna talk about this place where I'm standing now. Actually, this is the place where I spend a lot of time in my every vacation. So, in today's video, I'm going to talk about that, why and how I spend time here, and what's the reason behind that. Is it wasting of my valuable time or the good uses of my valuable time? So let's face it. Without any further ado, I'm gonna jump into this video. This two line seems like a poem, right? But I'm not a poet. Actually, let's back to 20 years when I was 10 years old. My maternal grandfather and my father is farmer. My maternal grandfather is passed away 7 or 5 years ago maybe, and I missed him a lot, you know. And what I'm talking about here it is. When I was 10 years old, my father and my maternal grandfather they bring me up with them in these fields because they came here to cultivate different kind of crops in our lands. Okay, I'm sorry. Let's give a little explanation about this place or little tour. I'm gonna turn my camera to show how this place like. Actually, this is the place where is locates the middle of nowhere. Yeah, it's middle of nowhere because within 1 kilometer, 1.5 kilometer, you can't find any human residence. The human residence is 1.5 kilometer away from this place. Is why I jokingly said this place is middle of nowhere. This place located middle of nowhere. You could see just behind me three or four human residential building showed up. I can see, I don't know if you can see that, just right over there, and it is a little bit far away from everything, and this is the reason why I choose this place to spend time here. And actually, what I'm talking about, I was talking about my grandfather, my maternal grandfather, and my father. They used to bring me with them when they came here to work in our paddy farm, in our some other crops when they are going to grow here. So they bring me up with them, and this is the place where I was sitting and I was playing a lot of unknown games. Like sometime I try to catch butterfly, the grasshopper, and something else, and I just gathered them and I played right in this place with them. And after finishing my father and my maternal grandfather work, they bring me back to my home. And actually, for reminiscing my childhood memory, I came here to spend some time, and I just think about what I did when I was kids, when my father and my maternal grandfather bring me up with them in this place. I just reminisced, thinking about my memory, the golden memory that I had surrounded this place. This is one of the reason, and another reason is I talked to you before. I told you before that this is kind of far away from human residence. Every human residence is almost 1.5 kilometer away. So this place always remain so silent, and I'm the person who always wanna be a silent place always want to spend alone. And I don't like the place where there is a lot of crowd, the chaotic situation. I don't like that. Actually, no, yeah, that means I don't like people. I don't, yeah, I like people. I do like people. I do like spend some people with my friends and also stranger as well. But when I come back to my village, in my vacation, that I don't like to be a crowded place. I used to work in the Dhaka city, and Dhaka city is always remain the immensely traffic jam, crowded, and a lot of chaotic, and it's make me feel so bad, and it's make me feel my village life, my especially this place. And when I am gonna meet my family, visit my village and everything, the situation make me feel, but this place make me feel so better, comfortable, and it's helped to bring me in my minds a lot of pleasure. And actually this is the reason why I came here to spend time. And also I love this place because when I feel that I should learn English by myself, and then I just bring my mobile phone and I come here in this place and sit in here and thinking about how can I start my learning English journey. But I find a lot of source here, definitely, but I was thinking that wasn't a good idea for me, because for having English courses, it's a that means spend a lot of money, and I don't. Yeah, I have plenty of money, but I don't want to spend it by learn a language. That's why I made a plan that I'm gonna learn it by myself. And I think nobody believed me, even my friend and some family members, they don't believe me yet. They say that you must be had English courses, because without having English course you never be able to speak like that, the way you speak now. Actually, I swear to God, I never take English course to improve my English. So this is not my topic today. The topic is about this place. So I was thinking like that, and after that day I started to learn English by myself. Then now the consequences you can see in front. You can see now the consequences. Alhamdulillah, I can speak in English now very much, and this is the reason why I come back to this place, to show my gratitude to this place, because this place gave me a lot of good idea. The good of this place gave me a lot of good wisdom. I can say this is wisdom, because let me tell you something. Actually, when you are going to do something, you have to make a good plan about these things that you really want. Without plans, your goal could be a disaster. So when I feel the necessity of learning English, then I choose this place, because this is the silent place. And if you want to make a plan with anything about, you have to choose a place like that, because when a lot of people, the crowded, when you are being a place, where is surrounded by a lot of people, the chaotic situation and louding sounds, it can interrupt you to make your plan. So this is why you have to select a place like that to make a plan what you are gonna do next. I mean what you going to do in your future about your plan. So this place give me a lot of good ideas, share his wisdom. How can I make a good plan? So actually, this is all about that. What I come in here in this place. Yeah, another reason is, we had the lot of land here. We used to grow paddy, the jute, and some other kind of crops. And for look after these crops, I also come in here, and along with that, I spend time in this place, and I make some plan about my life, and making video as well. I got too many channel in YouTube and Facebook, but I didn't get that much follower and subscriber. And thank you who already subscribed my channel, YouTube channel, and Facebook page. Thank you very much. And actually, this was all about in this video today. So if you wanna be listen or watch this kind of video from my channel, so you can subscribe or follow my Facebook page. Thank you for watching this video, and of course we'll see you in the next. Thank you very much. Bye bye.